Over the last 20 years, I've been so incredibly blessed to work with thousands of small businesses. The vast majority of my clients have been small businesses. Some of them family, literally family run, meaning my family. Some of them friends from high school, friends from summer camp. Small businesses, are in many ways the lifeblood of communities in America. Towns like mine where, the barber shop, the delicatessen, small businesses are what makes communities unique and really connect the webs in the community. I've also been blessed to work with many big companies as well, international companies with hundreds of millions of dollars in sales over those years. And there's different approaches in handling different size clients like that, of course. And I'm grateful for both experiences. But what I want to talk about today is that all businesses need trademark protection. Of course, big businesses benefit from trademark protection. Registering, protecting their brand, using the Circle R, being in the USPTO's Register of Trademarks. Nike, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, they all know this. They file dozens, if not hundreds, of trademark filings every year. But small businesses need trademark protection and trademark registration even more than big businesses. And there's a couple reasons why. The first is that when you have a trademark registration, the USPTO does a lot of work for you. You're in their database. People are searching that database all the time, 24 hours a day, and USPTO examiners are searching that database for potential conflicts all the time. So being in the database lets your trademark do work for you and might block others automatically without you having to lift a finger or spend another dollar. Another reason that protection is so important for small businesses is the cost of a dispute. Not just the financial cost, but the time and emotional toll and cost can be very significant. They can crush small businesses. I've seen it, unfortunately, happen. Sometimes small businesses faced with a trademark dispute, even though they have very good odds in the case, in the dispute, sometimes it doesn't make sense to fight it and they have to change their name or they have to consider alternatives. Having a trademark registration helps minimize, reduce the odds of such disputes, and it puts the business owners in better positions for such disputes. So you tie this together, and it's really the third reason, which is related. Having a trademark registration is like insurance for your brand. It helps avoid and deal with the troubling consequences that can arise from brand infringement, from both people copying and infringing your brand and from being on the receiving end of possible infringement claims. So that insurance is extremely valuable to any business, but it's much more valuable to a small business. And the price of that insurance, yes, it's not insignificant, it's not nothing, but it's also not tremendous. And the return on the investment is far greater than the expense. It is extremely valuable for small businesses to protect their trademarks for these reasons. If you have questions about your small business trademarks and you want to talk to me about how to protect it or about my work, again, with many, many thousands of small businesses over the years, reach out to me, drop a comment, find me online. You can find me anywhere: LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, ericpelton.com. I look forward to chatting.